Spotted this at PIMS, and it's the all-new MG HS PHEV. This isn't just a regular MG HS, it's a plug-in hybrid, claiming a impressive 1,065 kilometers of total driving range. Power comes from a 1.5-liter gasoline engine paired with an electric motor, and it can travel up to 105 kilometers on pure EV mode. Design-wise, up front, you get a bold new grille and sleek LED headlights, while the rear features a full-width LED taillight, giving it a more premium look. Inside, you get dual 12.3-inch displays, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You also get a panoramic sunroof, wireless charging, ambient lighting, and even a powered tailgate for a price of 1.5 million Philippine pesos. So what do you think of the new MG HS PHEV?